Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to connect PayPal with Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Shopify store and then open your Shopify admin page. And now click on the settings button, which is on the bottom left corner. From the settings page, click on the payments button from the left menu bar. And after clicking payments, here you see the PayPal option already, but it is inactive. So you have to click activate PayPal. After clicking on activate, you have to search for PayPal and then select payment wall. Now enter public and private key, which is on the account of payment wall. Now click activate payment wall, and now your PayPal will activate. So that's how you will connect PayPal to Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.